Hello, this is Jared with Shading Texas. We just installed this G250 retractable awning on this brick home. And actually, you see how nice this looks. A lot of people always ask, hey, what does a G250 look like when it's closed? You can kind of see here. I'm going to kind of take it from afar away here so you guys can get a full feel for it. And then I'll walk up here in a second. Sleek look. It doesn't look like a traditional awning where you have the valance hanging on there. It's very modern, very contemporary. Just an awesome product. You see it folding in here. The best part about this is when it's actually retracted in, it looks more like a gutter than anything else. It just kind of melts away. So you can see here as it's inside. Close, and then I'm gonna actually walk up to it here and you can kind of really see what I'm talking about. So see how it's just all encased by itself, and this one goes out 10 foot 2 inches, but super clean quality look here. So anyway, this is Jared with Shading Texas. You can see us at www.shadingtexas.com. Thank you.